Thanks for everyone for coming out tonight. I'm going to take a step with you into the physical world with Presq. So I'm Adam Saleh. I've been working in and around the advanced manufacturing industry for the last decade in 3D printing. And I've watched design evolve from something controlled by brands to something controlled by culture. A few years ago, I pitched a crazy-sounding idea to a venture capital fund. We were seeing signals that AI design and computational design would take over the product market. Market segmentation was beginning to reshape demand, and independent brands were beginning to understand the profitability of serving more and more specialized audiences. The thesis was that customers would participate in the design of all products at the point of sale, becoming the purveyors of their own material culture within their own community. At the time, that idea felt early, but today, that category has a name. We call it prompt to product. Now, this is a core belief that became Presq, not mass production, but mass bespoke. Now, I couldn't shake that belief, and when the tech finally caught up, I knew it was time to build it. In part because in 2025, design has become the new language of commerce. Investors want founders with taste, I hope, and customers want personalized products. But for those of us who've built inside this category for a decade, we know it's bigger than just aesthetics, it's infrastructure. The tools needed to converge with products that felt relatable and accessible. But the requirements to do this are not just AI, right? You need design taste, you need manufacturing access, cultural fluency, and credibility with creators. At Presq, we have all of that in-house. Presq came together when the three edges of this category finally converged. Personally, I have over a decade of experience in additive manufacturing and cultural product strategy. I've built tools with companies like Nike, Adidas, and Carbon 3D. Mikey has over a decade of experience in footwear and industrial design. He's right over there, with companies like Lucid Motors and Lightform. His process as a designer is used as the sedimentary material that informs the creation of our AI design tools. He's also the first unicorn or 10x designer I think you'll ever meet. Go find him afterwards, he'll whip up a concept for you right away. And Steve, where are you, Steve? Back there, hey, Steve. He's an operational powerhouse with over a decade of experience in manufacturing, software, and startups. He's seen 0 to 1 and 1 to N. We've also locked in partnerships with two titans of the additive manufacturing industry, Carbon 3D and Bamboo Lab, that give us the edge across material, speed, and global capacity. So what do we actually build? We built the missing infrastructure. A creator describes what they want, inputs a palette of their creative context. Our design engine generates geometry and makes it manufacturable. We route that to the best fit manufacturing partner in our network, generate samples, and launch it through their own fully branded storefront, going from idea to object to market in days, not months. So we set out to show this to creators, the backbone of a $250 billion creator and passion economy. And unsurprisingly, they were all tired of shilling garbage that meant nothing to their story. Between the Royal Kingdom ads and the AG1 affiliate programs, they wanted to sell meaning to their audiences and not their soul to these gray, monolithic corporations. When we showed our new platform to them, especially athletes and musicians, they all asked for the same thing: footwear. Now, footwear is cultural signal. It's status. It's I belong to this moment. But footwear is also one of the hardest categories in CPG to make. Multi-material, biomechanical, safety, and durability all need to be taken into account. And solving it out as our first category does two things. It proves cultural relevance, and it proves technical depth. If we can make shoes this way, we can make anything this way. In the last few months, we've onboarded 50+ United States manufacturing partners, and we've completed 2 sold-out drops. We've also locked in over 20 creators, athletes, musicians, designers, who are all preparing their own lines, all that exist in their own personalized storefronts, AI accelerated and immersive, only on Platform by Presq. Now today, we're shipping culture as a product for creators, starting with footwear. But tomorrow, the same pipeline works for jewelry, eyewear, collectibles, home goods, and beyond. Each new product expands our technical surface area and our cultural surface area at the same time. Presq is not a footwear company. Presq is infrastructure for physical expression. Now, the internet collapsed the distance between an idea and an audience. We're collapsing the distance between an idea and an object. A world where infinite leverage isn't constrained to just software, but manufactured goods alike. Presq is the infrastructure that lets physical products move at the speed of culture. Now, 4 years ago, we predicted this shift, but only today is it possible. We're living it and we're building the rails so that anyone can design and ship products as fast as they can imagine them. Because the future won't be mass produced, it'll be mass bespoke, built by the people shaping culture itself. Now, we're going to be in the back. We'll have some samples open. Come check it out. Come put the shoe on. Thanks for listening. This is Presq.